Hey, son, can we talk for a moment? Sure, Dad. What's up? I've been thinking about something important, and I wanted to share it with you. It's about the importance of respecting our elders. Respect for elders? Isn't that something everyone should do? Absolutely. But sometimes we need to remind ourselves why it's so crucial. Respecting our elders goes beyond just following rules. It's about acknowledging their wisdom and experiences. I get that, but why is it so important? Well, for one, they've been through a lot more in life than we have. They've faced challenges, made mistakes, and learned from them. Their experiences can teach us valuable lessons and guide us in making better choices. I guess that makes sense. So, it's like learning from their wisdom. Exactly. And beyond that, respecting elders shows gratitude for all they've done for us. Think about it. They've worked hard to provide for the family, offered guidance when we needed it, and supported us in various ways. I never really thought about it that way. I just thought it was something you're supposed to do. It's more than that, though. It's about recognizing the sacrifices they've made for us. And as they age, they might face challenges of their own. Respecting them means being patient, understanding, and helping them when they need it. Yeah, I can see that. So, how can we show respect? Simple things like listening when they speak, being polite, and helping out with tasks can make a big difference. Also, considering their advice even if we might not agree at first. It's about showing appreciation for their wisdom and acknowledging the value they bring to our lives. I'll keep that in mind, Dad. Thanks for sharing that with me. You're welcome, son. Just remember, it's not just about following a rule. It's about building a connection and learning from those who have walked the path before us. I'll keep that in mind, Dad.